a pledge is a promise. When the money actually comes in, someone records it. But who is allowed to post it to the books depends on their permission, and that is what this shows. I am signed in as Tond, our fundraising officer. This is the Julius Berger pledge for clean water boreholes, for £1,000,000 promised. Tond opens the Julius Berger pledge for the clean water boreholes from the list. The first tranche has arrived. He clicks manual cash receipt to record it. The donor and currency are already fixed to the pledge, so Tond fills in every other detail of the receipt, the date, the program it supports, the amount that came in, the bank account and the income account, then the purpose, any restrictions, a description and a remark. He records the receipt. Notice it does not post to the books. Because Tond does not hold the finance rights, it goes to a queue and waits for approval. Now Grace, our fundraising lead, who does hold the finance right. She opens pending approvals, then pledge receipt approvals. Here is the receipt Tond recorded, sitting in the queue, showing who recorded it and how much. Grace reviews it and approves. Approving creates the donation and posts the journals into the correct books. Because Grace holds the finance right, she can also record and post in a single step, with no queue at all. Let us see that. She picks the same donor, and because he has an outstanding pledge, an apply to a pledge option appears. She applies this receipt to the water boreholes pledge. The green note confirms it posts to the books immediately, and credits the pledge, with no separate approval. She fills in every field just the same. Same team, one clear row. The officer records and it waits for approval, while finance can record and post straight away. Every naira is accounted for, and nothing hits the books without the right permission.